Female genital mutilation is a harmful practice that has no health benefits to a woman. A lot of people carry out female genital mutilation, otherwise known as female circumcision, for a number of reasons, ranging from cultural reasons, religious reasons, and social reasons, with the belief that they are doing something that will benefit the girl. For example, in preparation for marriage, helping a lady keep her virginity, and also preventing promiscuity in marriage. I am here to tell us that this practice is wrong. It is very, very harmful. It has no positive effect whatsoever. In this video, I am going to be telling us the negative effects of female genital mutilation on a woman. So, if you are keen to know about this topic, I urge you to stay till the end of the video and you will learn a lot. Before I go further, let me introduce myself. My name is Priska. I am a registered nurse. I live and I practice in the UK. My channel is all about nursing, and I give health talk and I create health awareness as well. Please and please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so right now, and also try to like, share, and comment on this video as well. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Female genital mutilation has a lot of negative effects on women. Number one, there is constant pain. I mean, this practice is so bad that during the female genital mutilation process, a portion of a female's vagina is cut off. Like when I mean a portion, I mean the clitoris will be cut off, maybe cut off. The labia majoris and the labia minoris are cut off. It is made in such a way that the vagina looks very plain, unattractive, and I don't know the word to use. But in all, that practice is so wrong. If you know someone who wants to do this, if you know someone who is intending to do this practice on their child, kindly stop them. Tell them that this practice is unhealthy. Now, female genital mutilation is done on girl child from the day the child was born into puberty and beyond. That means there are ladies or girls who, even after they are grown up and they are very conscious of themselves, they carry out these practices on them, which does not make sense. Anyway, one negative effect of female genital mutilation is constant pain. There is this constant pain that comes with female genital mutilation that it can be very, very traumatic for a girl child. Number two is pain and difficulty when having sex. There are people who find it very difficult to engage in sexual practices after having a female genital mutilation done on them, probably because of the way their vagina was reconstructed after that practice. There are also women who lose interest completely in engaging in sexual practices just because of this female mutilation. Number two is mental health problems. There are people who are constantly depressed because of this practice. Yes, there is depression, there is anxiety. Some people have series and series of nightmares about this practice, especially women or girls who have come of age, who were conscious when this practice was carried out on them. From time to time, they recall this traumatic event and it scares them to death. It makes them anxious. It makes them depressed. And also there is flashback, you see. There is flashback to this horrible and traumatic practice, which is not good for anyone's mental health. Number three, there's problems during labor and childbirth, which can put the mother and child at a very high risk Of course, like I said, it depends on the type of mutilation you got. There are people who their vaginal entrance were completely closed. So tell me, there are women who even they get find it difficult to get pregnant. And those who luckily got pregnant will find it very difficult to give birth just because of the type of mutilations they got. Number 4 is urinary incontinence. That is, this person will not be able to hold their urine again. Number 5, there is repeated infection upon infection that may be very difficult to go away. You know why? Because female genital mutilation is carried out by traditionalists, especially women. Yeah, there are women who specializes in doing this practice, and they use razor blades and scissors that were not properly sterilized. Okay, and then these scissors and the razors carry infections. Some may be getting old, and it will be used on a woman's body, thereby introducing infection into the person's organs, into the reproductive organs, thereby leading to an infection that may be very difficult to treat. Some can even lead to a woman becoming infertile because there are some infections that are very, very difficult to treat. Some people can bleed to death during this process because when doing this, I really don't think that there is an injection that can be given to prevent loss of blood. So during the process, there are people who can actually bleed to death. It is a fact. Okay? Anyone who was mutilated at birth, anyone who had this practice done on them can have or seek solution. And what is the solution? The solution is surgery, is to open up all places that were stitched together, to open up all places. Okay, let's take for example a pregnant woman who is in labor but her vagina has been stitched together. So the essence of this surgery is to open up your vagina, open up the pathway for the baby to come out. So also for women who are having difficulty engaging in sexual practices because of excessive pain, can have surgery done where their vagina will be opened, you see, to feel less pain. Also, people who are having urinary incontinence, people who cannot hold their urine, this surgery can also help to amend things in their body. Please and please, female genital mutilation is not and cannot have any positive effect on any woman's body. Desist from it. Don't do it. It is not good. It is not fair on anybody. I believe you have watched this video to this extent. Please, I would urge you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel above, and also like and share this video. Drop your comments as well. And also I would see you in my next video. Bye.